Right, so thanks for coming, everyone. Hopefully you got a short break. My name is Eduardo, and I'm very happy today to be announcing the Mapillary Camera Grant Program, which is making a comeback. Yep, woo! Coming back. So we have 20 cameras that we're going to be sending out. This is the beginning, and then hopefully it grows from there. But this is made possible thanks to OpenStreetMap US and Jess. I don't know if she's in the room, but has really been driving a lot of the work on the OpenStreetMap US side. And Meta's kind of financing it and giving the kind of the operational support given our experience with Mapillary and cameras. So I want to tell you about the program, how you can get access to a camera, why we're doing it, and all that jazz. So the why are we sending out cameras? What's in it for Meta? What's in it for OpenStreetMap and OpenStreetMap US? We care a lot about where sidewalks are located, and we're obviously building maps for a variety of purposes, but one of the things we care about is how pedestrians get from one place to another. And imagery is a really useful tool for determining that. We can do that automatically by figuring out what's in the image with computer vision, but we can also do it manually, of course, using the wonderful people in the OpenStreetMap community. So that's on the Meta side. And then on the OpenStreetMap side, there's obviously the Trails Working Group, which cares a lot about mapping trails that often aren't in OpenStreetMap throughout the US, taking authoritative data sets that, as we heard this morning, are sometimes good, sometimes bad, and confirming that with people on the ground. So again, street level imagery is a really useful tool. So we're hoping that by sending cameras out, we can get imagery in more places throughout the United States. And so what are we sending out? We're sending 20 cameras, as I said, the GoPro Max 360 camera, which is really like the easiest way to get 360 imagery. It's right here. I've got my model here to demonstrate. Very easy to use, quite a small camera.
I'm not recording, don't worry about it.
Thank you, Saeed. So you'll get a selfie stick like this. Victoria's Secret's next for you. So you get a tripod adapter, which allows you to like attach it to a selfie stick like this, but also the Fat Gecko triple suction cup mount, which is incredibly reliable. I've tested that like going at the speed limit, of course, the max speed limit, and it's very stable. So you can capture by car, you can capture on foot, and we're hoping to have a variety of different use cases supported. If you're a cyclist, unfortunately, there's too many different types of bicycles, and the handlebars always change size, but you can purchase things separately if you'd like to capture on your bicycle. You also get a USPS box to come with it all. Pretty exciting. And the images shown here are illustration purposes only and may differ from the final product. In terms of the imagery, it's going to look something like this. It's actually, as I said, pretty good. There's cameras that are worth thousands of dollars that don't actually do much better job than this. So you can still get things like house numbers and street names, and of course, just a general sense of what's around. If you'd like to apply, I'll give you a moment to scan the QR code. OSM US will be around, of course. I'll be around, as well as the Mapillary team. We have a booth. The Meta booth is pretty easy to find. So scan this. And if you'd like to apply, capture imagery in your neighborhood first. We're really prioritizing people who've captured imagery before. Fill out the application form, wait or don't and ping us, that's okay too. Explore and upload. And we're prioritizing, as I said, people who've like contributed before, who have shown that, at least with a smartphone first, that they're interested in street level imagery. So, before getting a 360 camera, see whether imagery is helpful for you. Have a plan for how you use the imagery. So we're looking for people or organizations, projects that actually know what they're trying to achieve with it. And it's based in the US. This should be a US flag, so it looks like that didn't come through. But based in the US only. We'll do a separate one in Europe, and then we'll see how it goes from there. And yeah, you can capture often and or share the camera with the local community. So maybe you only need it for a week, but other people in your area, that's okay too, you can apply. And lastly, we want you to be as interested as we are in improving pedestrian data in the United States. So happy mapping. We have Jess right at the back standing by the door. She can answer questions too. And yeah, looking forward to having more imagery in the United States soon. Thank you.